Don't be fooled by the bright sunshine. Don't know if you can see it, but it's a little bit chilly. So today I'm travelling on a bit of a special train. Just happens to be this one, but it's the Stockport to Stalybridge.
Denton, Bridge and Stalybridge. Due to arrive at Stalybridge at 10:12.
All right. Yeah.
So here we go, departing Stockport.
Yeah. Chester. Chester Station weekend. So very much there's just long journeys. Yeah.
As it takes about half an hour. Here's a sped up, or condensed rather,
I'm trying to
view of the half an hour run to Stalybridge.
probably manage a week. Sometime around July.
British South.
Denton, the next stop.
And here I am at Stalybridge. The 9:45, one train a week in this direction from Stockport, ran right on time. It left at 9:45 and got in at 12 minutes past 10, and yeah,